Hi everyone, so this is my M.2 SSD and I'm going to install this SSD in my laptop. Okay, so you can also change this NVM SSD in your computer also. Okay, so how you can do that? Let me open my laptop from back side. Okay, so this is my slot for the M.2. Okay, let me open the screw. Okay, and after opening the screw, let me place this SSD here. Okay, now so this is my SSD and you can see there are two slots available over here. Okay, so you have to insert here just like this. Okay, when it will be properly inserted, put this support over here and you have to insert this screw in the slot. Okay, and tight this. So once you will do that, your SSD will be installed in your laptop. Okay, now you have to close the panel from back side and screw up the same. So this is how you can install the SSD in your system. Have a nice day.